Now look how to make a PDF file for given document and how to share it. अगर आपको किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट का या हैंड रिटन मटेरियल का अगर PDF बनाना है और उसे सेंड करना है थ्रू व्हाट्सएप और ईमेल आईडी, तो उसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ऐप इन योर मोबाइल लाइक डॉक स्कैनर. कोई भी एक स्कैनर का एप्लीकेशन आपको अपने मोबाइल में होना ज़रूरी है. सो इन दिस मोबाइल डॉक स्कैनर ऐप इज़ प्रेजेंट. ओपन डॉक स्कैनर. ओके, देन इट शोज इट्स स्क्रीन. इन दिस एक पिक्चर आइकॉन आपको यहाँ पे शो होगा. क्लिक ऑन दिस पिक्चर, दैट मीन्स एक पिक्चर डिवाइस का ऑप्शन है. क्लिक ऑन दिस to take the picture of that document. Suppose here I want to make PDF of this page or take the picture of this page. So click on this, set your mobile on the top of the page, click on the center of this for the clarity, and then click on this button to take the picture. जैसे इसके ऊपर क्लिक करें, after that, okay, इट शोज़ द क्रॉप ऑप्शन कि आपको कितना मटेरियल उसमें से क्रॉप करना है. दैट मीन्स यू वांट टू रिक्वायर्ड और एक्वायर द सम इमेज फॉर दैट. तो आप यहाँ पे सेट द क्रॉप ऑप्शन, जो भी पॉइंट्स हैं, सेट दैट पॉइंट्स जितना भी आपको रिक्वायर्ड है मटेरियल. एंड आफ्टर दैट करंट फिल्टर में जहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कलर, तो यू कैन स्किप दैट ऑप्शन. इफ यू वांट टू सेट इट इन ब्लैक एंड वाइट मोड, then choose this option color and then use the OCV black option. okay, ये ऑप्शंस वैरी कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट कैम स्कैनर के लिए. अगर आपके मोबाइल में जो भी ऑप्शन होगा या ऐप होगा, डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस. एंड सपोज यू वांट टू share or make a PDF in color as it is, तो click on this color option and then click on this right click. okay, after that, and it is in the option in document. It shows the different options: ID card, book, okay, then document, book, photo. So here we take the PDF of document, so that click here document, and after that, and again click on this right click. After showing, it gives the again a crop option, color filter, adjustment, rotate. okay, if it is required, then go through this option, otherwise click on this right option. Saving this document. okay, now click on this back button. It shows document in the list, all document list. Click on again this scan document, and then on his document right side, it shows the 3 dots, 1 2 3. For share this document, click on this, and gives the option save as PDF, share, compress, and this. So for that, here I am choosing the option share, because I want to share this file to the particular ID and share as a PDF. Use this option, share as a PDF. Do not use the option share PDF with password, because in this option you have to set the password and send to the password that person, those who want to open your file. okay, so click on this simple share as PDF, and share PDF using what? So here I'm using the Gmail option, because all of you have to send your files by using the Gmail ID, and that was created for periodic test. okay, so click on this Gmail ID, Gmail option, and it shows the Gmail ID screen. And in this to, so right here into AVM, the email ID which is provided by the school for exam, AVM periodic test, PERIODIC TEST 1 1 0. It's of class 10, so 1 0 0, sorry, 2 0, and it is Gmail, so @ then gmail.com, gmail.com. Okay, and in from it is automatically taken from it's my mobile, and it's already set the email ID so that it is taken automatically from. And in subject, if the email in your email ID it is not shown your name, or it is not clear, so that you have to write your name, class, section, and the subject name. Suppose here I am going to write subject is computer application, computer application. Okay, uh, answer sheet, answer sheet. Okay, and then it is attach this file, those who want to share with this ID. And for sending, click on this blue arrow button. It is on the top of the right corner of the screen, so click here. Now this file will send to that particular email ID. So student, hope so all of you understood these steps how to share the file by using the Gmail account.